Hello, welcome to Noor Digital Classes. There is a remarkable and outstanding speech on Teachers' Day. Honorable Principal Sir, teachers, guests, and my dear friends, good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day on 15th September 2025. Today, I am here to say a few words about my respectable teachers. Dear friends, behind every successful person in the world, there is a sincere and hardworking teacher. After parents, teachers are the only people in the whole world who want you to succeed, who want to see you succeed. A teacher is the architect of the nation. A teacher is the person who illuminates the society and community with the light of knowledge and character. Dear friends, a teacher is a leader who guides the students and enriches them with the wealth of knowledge and education. A teacher is like a candle that burns itself and gives light to others. Dear friends, a good teacher can change a student's life. Teachers give us wings to fly with the knowledge and character. That's why we should always be thankful to our teachers and we should also respect them. At last, in conclusion, I would like to say only one sentence about my respectable teachers that a teacher is not a king himself, but he must make others kings. Thank you so much for listening to me. It was a very interesting speech on Teachers' Day. You can deliver this talk in your school and other programs also. Thank you so much.